Good morning again, students. How are you? I bet you're awesome. Okay, so this is the third lesson, third session of our COVID-19 lockdown video tutorials for piano lesson. Yes, and okay, so as I've said, this is the I will give you a new song again, and it's getting harder and harder, and yeah, usually it says we need we need to watch the previous videos for you to to be able to play this third piece properly or easily. Okay, so let's go on. For this for again, as we usually do, we do the right hand first so that we can be we will be able to play it both hands later. Okay, but if you can do it both hands right away, then why not? Yeah. If you are up to the challenge, then yeah, you can do it. Okay, good. So let's try one hand first, right hand. So again, the position is always on the do, so thumb is on the do, and pinky is on the C there, or do. Okay, do, re, mi, fa, so, do, re, mi, fa, so. So let's try it from the beginning. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do. So that's the first line. Do you see it? So do, re, mi, do twice. Okay, so let's try it again. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do. Did you get it? Okay, so let's do the second line. So mi, fa, so, hold. Mi, fa, so, hold. Okay, so twice mi, fa, so also. See, if you see it, there's an underscore with a hold. Okay, if you remember that, there's a line. Okay, so mi, fa, so, hold. Mi, fa, so, hold. Got it? So third line is so, fa, mi, do. So, fa, mi, do, so, do, hold. Do, so, do, hold. So I played the third line and the fourth line, okay, consecutively. Okay, so like I mentioned last time, I will be trying to give you a like a drum track so that we can try to play along with the drummer. So let's see if I can make it. Yeah, okay, so it's actually very fast. Let's try it, maybe 55 tempo. By the way, tempo is the speed of music. Okay, so that's the speed of music, and right now it's on the 55 beats per minute, so it's very slow. So let's try it. So one, okay, hang on just a sec. 2, 3, go. Do, sorry, just a second. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, mi, fa, so, hold. Mi, fa, so, hold. So, fa, mi, do. So, fa, mi, do. Do, so, do, hold. Do, so, do, hold. Okay, so what did we notice on the playing now? We did the song continuously without stopping. We did not stop on this part, although there's this more space here. We did not stop, and we were counting 1, 2, 3, 4 in our minds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So almost all songs in the world are in 4/4. Okay, so it means that we count 1, 2, 3, 4. and we continuously do that like a heartbeat. So our heartbeat doesn't stop. Does your heartbeat stop? I don't think so. Okay, anyway, so it doesn't stop and it has a pulse. Music has a pulse. Okay, so three things already. Three musical things or musical vocabulary we've learned already today. Number one is tempo, which is the speed of music. It can be fast or slow. So 55 is our tempo right now. It's very slow, 55 beats per minute. So the second one I've told you is that we are usually doing this song in 4/4 time. It means that we count 1, 2, 3, 4 all the time, and it's continuously. Why is it continuously? Because music has a pulse. So pulse is not stopping like your heartbeat. Okay, so three things. Again, tempo, 4/4 meter or time, and then pulse. Just remember these three things. You can write it down so that you can we will always use this vocabulary. Okay, so if I will mention it to you in the future, you know what they mean. Okay, all right, good. So let's try it again with the beat, the full song again. Of course, you can rewind this and rewind, whatever you're comfortable with. You can always rewind so that you can master the right hand first. Yeah, hang on just a second. 2, ready, go. Right hand. Do, re, mi, do. Do, re, mi, do. Mi, fa, so, hold. Mi, fa, so, hold. So, fa, mi, do. So, fa, mi, do. Do, so, do, hold. Do, so, do, hold. Get it? All right. So that's the full song with the right hand. Okay. So if I may ask you, did you figure out what kind of song is it? What is the title of the song already? We are playing. Does it give you a like a memory of the tune? Come on, try to think of what tune is this. What song is this? So do, re, mi, do. Do, re, mi, do. I'm sure you're already thinking of a song that you have heard from the internet, or maybe from your class in music in the school. I'm sure you have already heard this tune before. So that's your homework. So tell me in the comments in YouTube if you got it correctly, okay? If you don't have a YouTube account, tell mommy to answer it for you, okay? So mommy will answer the name of the song here in the comments, okay? Good. So let's go. Let's try both hands now. So if you remember again, the left hand has letters which are called chords. So chords are C, again G, only 2 chords for the meantime. So C and G. So this is the C, pinky, and this is the G, thumb. Okay, let's try to do it together without the drums yet, without the drums. So let's try it. Do, re, mi, do. Do, re, mi, do. Mi, fa, so, hold. Mi, fa, so, hold. And then G. So, fa, mi, do. So, fa, mi, do. Do, so, do, hold. Do, so, do, hold. Now, if you think you are ready for a challenge, even if you're so small, or if you are big enough to do a difficult change of chord, I can make it like this. See, this is optional. So usually I put C here. So if I will put C here, I'll just make it green so that it's optional. Let's just say, no, just a second, maybe dark green there. So the C is an optional chord. So we can make it, we can put the C there, but it will be a little faster shifting of chords. And if you can do it, yeah, it's better, because it's supposed to be like that, okay? But if you cannot do it, don't worry about it. You can still do it with that G there. So also in this part, we can put here those. So we can put C also here, though, and then we can put the G and C that way. Okay, anyway, no problem. So let's try with the harder version of it. Okay, ready? So do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, mi, fa, sol, hold, mi, fa, sol, hold, so, fa, mi, do, so, fa, mi, do, so, do, hold, do, so, do, hold. Got it? Cool. All right. So again, you can rewind, make it 0.75 speed so that you can master this. Okay. Now, what else? Oh, let's try first with drums. Let's see if we can do it with drums. 2, ready, go. Do, re, mi, do, do, re, mi, do, mi, fa, sol, hold, mi, fa, sol, hold, so, fa, mi, do, so, fa, mi, do, so, do, hold, do, so, do, hold. By the way, I did the more difficult version. Okay, so that's the beauty of having also a drum or a beat or a rhythm, because it makes us play continuously without stopping, or even if you made mistake. If I do let's just say I made a mistake. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, do, la, re, mi, do, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol, hold, so, fa. See, did you see that? I'm making mistakes, and also I'm not I was not able to play some of the parts, but I kept the pace of it. So I still went on, even if I'm making mistakes. Went to the next note. Okay, so as much as possible we want to do that, so that whenever you will be playing live as a pianist, you will be able to cope up with the music also. Especially if someone is with you, like a duo or a band. If you're in a band, then you really need to cope up with the next note, with the next chord, because if not, you will be you're playing as a band, it will be chaotic. Okay, will be a mess. All right, okay, good. So again, this is the third lesson, and yeah, it's still a long way to go, so stay tuned for the next video, for the next session, for the 4th session, and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to be notified, and please turn on the notifications so that you will be notified of the new updates for the new session. Okay, all right, so see you again next time. Bye bye.